You're watching my natural hair journey here on Simply Shev, where I'm talking you through how to use mini braids to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong in 2023. It is week 1 to 2 having installed. In my previous video, we're going to talk about week 1 to 2. As you know, we are using mini braids to grow our natural hair long in 2023. This is the first full week of having these mini braids in. I'm just showing you my scalp, letting you see how much growth I've received so far. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. So I've shown you that my scalp, as usual, is building up some dandruff just about 2 weeks in. And I'm just going to probably just try to get rid of some of that. Now, the main way I try to control the dandruff on my scalp these days is by giving it a good rinse. It doesn't have to be a full wash day. I just do like a mixture in my bottle and I wash my scalp off as I'm showing you here. It is super early to be doing a wash day, and I was well aware that putting water on my braids so soon would give me some level of frizz, but ultimately I've got to make sure that my scalp is clean in order to grow this hair. I'm really so grateful for all the ladies that have signed up on this channel. If there's anything that I can do to help you, pop your questions down below in the comments. I'll be so happy to help anything that you have on mini braids. Once again, do check out my mini braids playlist. Chances are I've answered your question in a previous video or in the comment section on those videos, so you're also welcome to check those out. As you can see, it's a very gentle wash day. I don't want to incur much frizz, and so I'm just putting with an applicator bottle the diluted shampoo on my scalp. What is fantastic though about just having these in just under 2 weeks is that my hair is already showing signs of growth, and that is amazing. That is what I love about mini braids. You can actually see your hair growing much more quickly than in mini twists. That's probably because of the shrinkage with the mini twists, but with the mini braids my hair just seems to be growing a lot faster. Just to talk you through the products that I'm using my Pureen shampoo from Jamaica and my Pureen protein conditioner also from Jamaica. You can probably get these products off eBay, but I bought them directly in Jamaica, and I use them because I like them, not because that they are the best. They are great products on my hair, but any cheap conditioner and shampoo that you have to hand can do this. If you are on the challenge, I'm by no means suggesting that you need to wash your hair by this point. I'm simply only washing my hair because of the dandruff on my scalp and I want to get rid. If your hair is fine, your scalp is clean, your hair is moisturized, just tag along to week 3 and you don't have to do anything much to your scalp or to your hair. One thing I've noticed about these mini braids is that they do look quite thin as compared. Now, this is the longest my hair has ever been, and my hair is 4B, 4C, and low to medium density. It's the first time I'm seeing it at this stage. The fact that it looks thin in mini braids doesn't really do much because I know that my hair is quite low density. But if you are stumbling upon my channel and might be thinking, oh, her hair looks quite thin, that is just the characteristics of my hair. It is on the lower density side. I am excited though with mini braids because I have seen that the hair that is coming in is a lot thicker. So maybe as I cut away at some of the last remaining damage from my crochet braids, my hair will thicken out a little bit more. But I've always talked about setting your expectations when you are growing out your natural hair, following YouTubers who have similar hair journeys to yours, so that when you grow your hair, you're not disappointed by the results. Because I know ultimately that my hair will not be completely thick because it's not high density. I will continue along, not trying to cut my hair away in order to make it thicker, because of the number of strands on my hair, it won't ever be that full. So I've talked about really quick wash days in mini braids. Mini braids is a fantastic way to take care of your hair overall. The wash days take less than half an hour. I just think my hair is looking fantastic, and I'm really excited to do this week by week side by side comparison, because then you can actually see what I'm talking about. Can you see my hair? The ends look healthy, the length of my hair looks wonderful, and mini braids is just for me. I love to be back in mini braids. I'm so motivated to grow my hair. I'm so excited to motivate you to grow your hair. If you've not signed up for the channel, If you've not yet signed up for the challenge, plenty of time, get your name below and follow along, and let's grow our hair in 2023. I'm simply just drying my hair. I usually dry my hair with any t-shirt or low fiber towel to make sure that I'm not really drying out my hair. And coming up in another wash day, I'm going to be changing up my routine a little bit so that you can see. I'm going to implement something that I saw that's really interesting that I want to do on my wash day, so look out for that. My hair is looking wonderful. It's moisturized now. It's just by using my Hello Hydration. Sometimes what I do on these simple wash days is just to leave a little bit of the Hello Hydration in my hair. But where I apply all my products together, like you saw me apply the shampoo directly to my scalp, followed by the conditioner along the length of my hair, I won't leave the conditioner in my hair after that. And in this occasion, I use two different types of conditioners, but where I'll just use Hello Hydration. And as it's coming on to spring, I will be doing lots of co-washes in my Hello Hydration, leaving a little bit of that product on and sealing my hair in with grease or castor oil or shea butter. So week 1 to 2, not very much to update in terms of how my mini braids are doing. They're still looking very neat even after a wash day. They're all installed, so the hard work is over. Now it's just about maintenance. And as you know, we always talk about consistency, staying consistent on our natural hair journey. And for the rest of the 12 weeks or so that we will be in this challenge, the key will be consistency, and we will see tremendous growth. I love the way my hair is falling. I love the way it's growing. And as you know, this is not just the only thing that I do on my channel. My last challenge was a mini twist challenge, very detailed mini twist challenge. I've also done separate videos, guides on growing your hair in mini braids. So check out part 1 to 3 of the mini braids guide also, and check out any of the playlists on using mini braids to grow your natural hair. I've also just given general tips on growing natural hair. I've been growing my natural hair since 2009. It is a passion of mine, and so any information that I find, I put it here on the channel to benefit you. So check out all my playlists and do subscribe, hit the notification bell if you've not yet done so. Once again, I really appreciate that. After that very simple wash day, the next thing that we're going to do, and we're going to be doing this consistency week by week, I'm going to be making sure my hair is moisturized by putting in my S-Girl and then putting my virgin hair fertilizer on my scalp to make sure that I get the added growth. I'm using virgin hair fertilizer. Again, in my next video, I'll be talking about virgin hair fertilizer in a bit more detail. But yeah, I'll be putting that on my scalp, and then I'll be sealing in all of that with my grease or castor oil. Once again, to recap week 1 to 2, mini braids are installed, and I've had to do a quick wash day because I've had a flare up of dermatitis and I wanted to make sure that my scalp is clean. But by doing a wash day so early on, I'm getting added moisture. I always say I get added moisture on my wash day, so I'm very happy to have that added boost in my natural hair. I've also shown you just how quick and simple it is to do a wash day on mini braids. And I want to thank you so much for all your love, all your support and all your comments. Really, you motivate me to keep this channel growing. So do leave me a comment down below. Give this video a like, even an emoji. I'd really appreciate all the interaction from you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. God bless you. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.